Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light or the oil light on a Skoda Karoq. So for step 1, make sure the ignition is off. Press and hold the set button that's located in the middle of the display. Then at the same time turn on the ignition. Keep holding the set button. Now for step 2, keep holding the set button until the display shows delete inspection or reset oil service, then release. Then press the set button again to confirm. Turn off the ignition, your service light has now been reset. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.